I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Mister Donut. This February, they give us more reasons para sarap ulit-ulitin ang Mister Donut. In celebration of the Hearts Month, they have this Okinawa Milktea Heart Donuts. And yes guys, you heard it right. These are donuts filled with milk tea. And this February also, they launched their 7-Eleven exclusive filled donut bars. In other words, you don't have to travel far to visit their store to have their donuts. This donut might not be in different shape, but they have this same donut goodness. And it comes in two flavors, the strawberry filled bar and the classic Choco Icing filled bar. For the Okinawa Milktea Heart Donuts, they might come in different toppings, but all of them are filled with Serenitea Okinawa Cream filling. For that, mga nagta guys, ang topping niya is actually made out of chocolate. It comes in different color, chocolate droplets, mini marshmallow, and drizzled with glitterati gold. But honestly, like who could have thought nga ang milk tea i-feeling sa donut? And actually, lami kaayo siya nga combination. Dili raman tingali kayo obvious no kay murag nakahurot gyud ayon kog tulo ka buok donuts. And now I am having the classic Choco Icing filled bar. So this is just your classic Bavarian and topped with chocolate decor, plus angel icing and drizzled with white vanilla decor. And now I am having the strawberry filled bar. So this is your donut filled with strawberry jam, topped with strawberry decor and jam filling. So if ever you love strawberry, this is really perfect for you. But always remember guys, how to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me on my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!